I'm Susan Alexander for The Funky Professor. As the coronavirus is currently spreading across the world, many of you, myself included, will find yourselves living in lockdown. This means being confined to home while governments across the world are trying to control the rate and the spread of the virus. Many of you will be in the middle of courses and may be worried about how you're going to finish your studies. Well, if anatomy is part of your course, then hopefully here at The Funky Professor we may be able to help you. We plan to release a whole series of new videos for free on YouTube. Over the next few weeks we will be covering the thorax, which includes the heart, and the respiratory system, which many of you will be hearing about in regards to the coronavirus. We will also do a series of short videos on Instagram on a whole variety of topics. Please do get in touch with us and let us know if there's something specific that you would like us to cover. Whilst being stuck indoors is going to be very challenging and frustrating, let's face it, if you're going to be sitting around doing nothing, you may as well do a little bit of anatomy each day, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your learning will accelerate. Your anatomy matters.